Hello, welcome to the Map My India web tutorial series. In today's episode on InTouch series, we will learn how to create trips with multiple stops in InTouch. Log into InTouch and go to Trips. Click on Create New Trip. Step 1. Enter trip information. Add name for the trip. Select the device for which you want to assign this trip. Choose the date and time when you want to start the trip. Choose a closure type for the trip. It can be time-based where you can select the start time of the trip, or you can choose to close the trip manually. Choose destination geofence entry if you want to close the trip when the vehicle reaches the destination. Add stop points. Click on Add Point. You can pick stop points from existing geofences and click Done. Now add another stop point. This time we will create point manually. Say point named Sector 51. Locate it on the map with desired radius and click Done. Let's create another stop point with geofence. Click on Next. Step 3. Check summary of your trip and submit. Now your trip is created successfully. You can open your trip card and view the trip details. Thank you.